Hi everyone, my name is Ajit Londe and welcome to our YouTube channel Londe OSC. Friends, it's been a quite late night. I am uploading this video to all of you to just tell you that I'm extremely sorry for not uploading any single video since last 21 days. I was quite busy, so I couldn't upload any single video. For that, extremely sorry. I apologize for it. Friends, today I'm making this video to tell you that which three things you can do to improve your English. Well, first of all, if you talk about how to start at a beginning level, then you should understand the grammar first. Well, see, when we heard this word grammar, we all start thinking that yeah, it is bore and we are not able to do it. But see, if you learn by putting your full concentration, your full ability, you will be able to learn grammar as well. It is very easy and you can learn it very quickly. Yeah, what measures how to do for it? First of all, in grammar you need not to learn all the topics. First, at the beginning level, you start learning tense. Yeah friends, three tense: present, past and future tense, and each tense has four subtense. So overall we have total 12 tense. Do study. You can learn it in your vernacular language, that means any language which you speak at home with your friends, neighbors and in society. You can learn in Hindi, Marathi. If you are from Marathi background, then you can learn all tenses in Marathi language. If possible, I will give in the description the link of all those videos which I had uploaded on the tense. Okay, so that will help you. The next thing you should do, that you start observing other people. Yeah, see, when we were child, at that moment, what we did, we were observing other people's behavior, and slowly, gradually, we were learning all the things. We have to, right now, if you want to learn English, then observe others, those who are speaking, those who are able to speak. You observe them. You find how they construct sentence, how they take a pause, also in which tense are they speaking. So that is very important thing. So second tip is for you is observation. The third tip is do practice. Everyone wants to learn, everyone wants to speak English, but the main hurdle is that we don't find right person with whom you can speak, because the person is someone who should understand to you. He should understand to you. He can digest your mistakes. Okay, you should not meet any person who is always trying to show you that here you have done mistakes, you do correct. No, at a beginning level you should not meet such a person. At the beginning level you start speaking and tell the other person, you just hear it and reply on your sentences. That will help you to build up your confidence, because if you meet such a person, then he will just hear whatever you are saying and he will give reply. I know it's very hard to digest this thing, that what if we incorrect, what if we do mistakes while speaking sentences. I understand, but the thing is that at the beginning level your confidence should be rise up, and that's why this method, this remedy will help you. So these three tips are very important. Follow these three tips. You will be amazed. You will find that after 1 month or 2 months, your speaking level will be increased. In next video, I will tell you some other tips. Till then, keep learning and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And please send this video among your friends, because I want good support from you. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's meet in next video. Till then, keep learning.